Welcome. Today we're covering your first stock purchase. Let's get started. Buying your first stock is easier than you might think. Modern brokers have made the process simple and accessible. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable online broker with low fees and a user-friendly interface. Many brokers now offer commission-free trading, making it cheaper than ever to invest. Next, fund your account by transferring money from your bank. Most brokers have no minimum deposit requirements, so you can start with whatever amount you're comfortable with. Before buying, do some research. Start with companies you know and understand. Read about their business, check their financials, and understand their industry. Knowledge reduces risk. When you're ready, place your order. Enter the stock's ticker symbol, choose your order type, specify the number of shares, review everything, and hit submit. Congratulations, you're now a stock owner. After buying, check your investment periodically but don't obsess over every price movement. Long-term thinking leads to better results. Keep learning and gradually diversify your portfolio over time.